fat-free hash brown and tomato salad. You are witnessing day 8 of potato and tomato diet. First meal of the day, 11 a.m. Subscribe, follow. I do it for weight loss. I'm documenting my day 8 of potato diet. Here's Mcdougalls, frozen. Let's see. Maybe too much. Alright. I'll leave it like this. It's about 1.5 inches or whatever thickness. I'll shape it up a little bit more later. Meanwhile, I will peel potatoes and put them into slow cooker for tomorrow maybe. Let's start. Alright, let me show you how you're gonna... It's a cooking tutorial channel, so I'm going to cut them on pieces, those potatoes, later. And I put it in water to wash them. I don't even know what it's called. Potato stew, maybe? Vegan. This is no fat diet, by the way. And although I have carbs and starches, there is no added fat at all, even for hash brown. Still frozen. Alright, I finish rest of the potatoes, then I continue. Alright, let's wash them a little bit. And cut them into pieces. And they are going to the slow cooker. I don't want huge pieces. I like them manageable. I've been on keto diet for so long, that I have no potato skills, which I'll try to gain. I gotta tell you, if you want to challenge keto wisdom, that I've been for 1 week on potato and tomato diet, never been hungry even one day, so the carbs make you hungry every 2 hours, is complete nonsense. I don't add added sugars, just starchy sugars, vegetables. And then I will, after 30 days, beside potato I'm gonna eat rice and beans and other vegetables. Alright, let's add. I know that tomato you're not supposed to add immediately, but after everything is, carrots and potato are cooked, otherwise they will not cook through. But in slow cooker I think it's not a problem. Sorry for obstructed view. Mix vegetables in water. I hate those beans. I like actual kidney beans, but I don't like those green strings. Disgusting. So it's mixed vegetables with water, and they do have salt. And now, what else should I add? A little bit of salt, probably. Don't know how much. This is pretty much everything I needed. I'll just close it and turn it on a high heat, on low heat for 6 hours maybe. And this is for next time. Now I'm going to wash tomatoes and cucumbers. I always have tomato salad or tomato with salt with my potatoes. Potatoes are getting brown at edges. It has dextrose and some kind of citric acid to promote browning and to prevent discoloration. Okay, let's work on salad. There is method of cooking some people practice. This one is probably frozen, where they don't use any utensils except knife, and they chop their vegetables, cut their meat in hands over the stove. They never use any kind of boards, any cooking utensil that they need to wash afterwards. Everything stays clean, only plate that you eat you need to wash, that's all. Okay, after I finish cutting tomatoes, we're gonna flip the brownies. I wish I marked the time when I started cooking it. Now let's season the salad. And vinegar. Let's flip it. Oh, it sticks well together. No oil. Unbelievable. Here's some whistling. Does this potato has any manner? Have any manners? Alright. This is my first meal of the day. Right now 11 a.m. I just have inconvenient time for the break, but I'm not hungry. Let's wait till this one. Let's give it 6 minutes. Kitchen timer, 6. Start. After 6 minutes, we'll check on it. 1 week ago, I got this on sale, brie cheese. And I tried brie many times, I can't stand the taste. Maybe I'm not keto eater. Maybe keto not for me. What price, I assume? Smells like somebody's socks. Brie and tube. Oh. And you're supposed to warm it up and dip the bread in it. Although I'm on zero carb diet, so this one will be toast. Going to the trash. I have Dubliner, I used to like, also trash. Another brie pie. Or it's not, yeah, it's big, it's not blue. This one also smells like somebody's butthole. Alright. 1 more minute for the hash brown. I think maybe I'll salt it a little bit while it's on frying pan, so salt would stick. Oh, it's been 6 minutes. Last time I covered it with lid, this time it's open, no lid. I'll give it a couple more minutes and a couple more flips, I guess. Amazing, no fat. Maybe I can tell by weight if it's done. Yeah, it's not heavy anymore. Okay. That's it. This is my first meal of the day. Then day 8. This tomato could give more juice if it was ripe. But it's green tomato kind of. And you can dip potato into juice. In interest of full disclosure, I finished hash brown and thought that I could eat some more potato. So I reheated two two-day olds, two days old boiled potatoes with salt and pepper. I'm gonna throw some hot salsa. This one is extremely hot on the middle. You kind of eat it with hot salsa and tomato salad. This is still meal 1 of day 8.